Hello everyone, welcome to today's class where we will uncover the life-changing concept, the inner power. Right? So have you ever wondered how someone or some people overcome challenges and achieve their dreams effortlessly? Well, it's not a magic. It's the power of mind. And the best part, you have this power too. So let's see what is inner power. So inner power is your mental strength, emotional stability and self-belief combined. So it's what helps you stay calm under pressure, bounce back from failures and focus on your goals. Today I will explain real life strategies to harness your mind, improve your mental clarity and unlock your potential. So let's see what is inner power. Ask yourself, what thoughts hold me back? What emotions drain my energy? Understand your inner world is the first step to unlock your true strength. Okay, so let's see what are the benefits of harnessing your mind. See, coming to the first one, mental clarity. Let me adjust the screen for you. Yeah, so mental clarity. See, you make better decisions without feeling overwhelmed. Like clear decision making and problem solving skills included in it. Okay, so and at the same time, you will be able to focus on long-term goals without distractions. So this is the benefit of your increasing your mind power. And coming to the second one, improved emotional resilience. You will be able to manage stress and overcome your self-doubt. And also, you will be able to stay composed in a challenging situations. The third benefit it is boosted productivity. That means you will be able to focus better and achieve your goals faster. Coming to the fourth one, enhanced relationships. That means strong relationships. You communicate better when you understand your emotions. See, cultivating empathy and understanding includes in it, and at the same time setting boundaries and improving communication skills also included in this benefits. Okay, so let's see the fifth one, personal growth and fulfillment. So living aligned with your goals bring happiness. Let's see how. Discovering your true potential, at the same time living a purposeful and intentional life. So life without a purpose or intention is worthless. Am I right? So these are the benefits of harnessing your mind. So let's move to top real life strategies of mind power. That means the strategies to improve your inner power. So what are the actionable strategies that we can do? So the very first one is practice mindfulness. So here you can say practice staying in a present moment. For example, focus on your breathing for 2 minutes when you feel overwhelmed. Okay, so the benefits of this practicing mindfulness is improved awareness and emotional regulation. Right, so coming to the second one, positive thinking. So rewrite your brain by replacing negative thoughts. You can replace them using positive affirmations like I am capable. Okay, it will be helpful to increase your optimism and better problem solving. So coming to the third strategy that you can do is mental discipline. How you can start this mental discipline? So you can start by setting small and achievable goals and follow through consistently. And what you will get through this? You will get greater productivity and long-term success using this mental discipline. And coming to the next one, visualizing success. How to start? Spend a few minutes each day, imagine yourself achieving your goals, and you will be able to boost your motivation and confidence as well. Coming to the next, meditate regularly. So use a guided meditation. Even at least 5 minutes daily can clear mental clutter and increase focus. Okay, so how you can start this? Use guided meditation app or simply sit in silence, focusing on your breath. You can do it regularly. So what are the benefits that you will be able to receive while doing this meditation regularly? So the benefits are reduced stress and enhanced mental clarity. And coming to the next one, embrace challenges. The most important thing, right? See how you can start this one. Take on tasks that push your limits, such as learning a new skill or hobby. Challenge yourself. Okay, keep small challenges and try to achieve them. So benefits, increased confidence and problem solving abilities. So see how many benefits that you will be able to receive. See, these strategies are simple, but their impact is profound. Try to incorporate at least one into your daily routine. It's my suggestion from my end. And coming to the next one, step to build mental strength. So these are the steps that I have designed for you. So what are these steps? Let's see. Building mental strength is like building a muscle. It's take consistent effort. Here is how you can do it. So the first one is identify limiting beliefs. So you need to write down thoughts like I am not good enough and challenge them. Okay. And coming to the next one, set clear goals. Define what you want and break it into actionable steps. Coming to the third one, cultivate a growth mindset. See failures as opportunities to grow. And coming to the fourth one, develop healthy habits. That means sleep well, eat healthy and exercise. Your body supports your mind. So coming to the fifth one, surround yourself with a positivity. It is very, very important. That means you need to spend time with people who inspire you. So each step strengthens your resilience, focus and confidence. Remember, small efforts lead to big changes over time. Right? So let's move to another point of this lesson. See, real life stories of inner power success. Right? See, let me share real life examples of people who unlocked their inner power. An young entrepreneur turned failures into success by visualizing their goals daily. Okay, and a professional athlete stayed focused throughout the mindfulness and positive thinking. At the same time, a struggling student overcame self-doubt with journaling and meditation. So these stories show that anyone can achieve greatness by harnessing their mind, and so you can. And so you can do this as well. Right? So let's move to practical techniques to enhance your mind's power. So let's see how you will be able to enhance your mind power using practical techniques. So breathing exercise. Deep breath calms the mind and enhances focus. So and the next thing it is journaling. You can do journaling as well. The affirmations. Repeat positive statements to rewrite your subconscious mind. And the time management. Prioritize your tasks to avoid overwhelm and increase efficiency. So you need to do these practical techniques while practicing this mind power, and at the same time common challenges and how to overcome them. So The most common challenges are listed here for me is 3, and see what are they. The procrastination. So for procrastination, the only solution is break the tasks into smaller steps and set deadlines. Then you will be able to achieve with a greater effect. And coming to the second challenge is fear of failure. So yes, I totally agree with the fear, but I won't agree with the fear of failure. So you can reframe failures as a learning experiences, then you will be able to achieve or at least to turn the fear into your motivation, right? So the third one, it is lack of motivation. So the only solution for this is to revisit your goals and remind yourself of your why you are here, why you are in this position, why you are taken birth in this particular family, why, what is. If you search for why, definitely you will get the answer. So try to search for the questions like why. Okay. So and finally, I can say one thing, which is, see, your inner power is your greatest asset. By practicing mindfulness, embracing challenges and cultivating positive habits, you can unlock your mind's true potential. The journey requires efforts, but the rewards, clarity, success and fulfillment are worth it. Start today. Take small consistent steps towards building your mental strength. As you progress, you will discover that the key to transforming your life lies within you. Okay, so see you again with another lesson from the same topic. Till the time, take care and bye-bye.